Hey beauty gurus, I am back with another video. Okay, first we're going to be going in with the NYX brow glue. I feel like this is good for any customer who hasn't had their eyebrows waxed. Okay, I'm going in with the Nika K pencil in the shade Black Brown to fill in my eyebrows. These pencils are good for beginners, and also they're like $8 for a pack of 3 on Amazon, so I'm gonna link these in the description. It looks like I'm filling in my eyebrows dark, but I'm doing hair-like strokes to get that natural brow effect. Now to clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to be taking a darker and a lighter concealer at the bottom and a darker concealer at the top. Now I am buffing everything out, and I like to just take the leftover concealer that I haven't blended and just kind of go in the front of my brows to give it that faded effect. As y'all can see, I use a lot of NYX concealers. This is light peach. I really love NYX concealers, y'all. I really think that they are good quality for the price. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you already know that I love Merceir. For my first transition shade, I am taking my favorite palette, which is the Morphe 3503 palette.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react.
For my second transition shade, I'm going in with the Morphe x Avani Greg palette. I don't know, I didn't really like this palette. I really think it's okay, but I don't think it's worth the money that I spent on it. And remember, when it comes to blending your eyeshadow, you always want to go back and clean up because you want your first transition shade just as well as your other one to show. Now I'm taking this matte white e.l.f. concealer to cut my crease. And y'all, this concealer dries fast, so make sure that you work really fast with this concealer.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how I went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Why they just called me to tell me come get it? Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Like you look like the garden they eat it. Pillows all bitter, spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down there. What they had didn't last.
Okay, so now I'm making sure to buff everything in so that I don't get creasing, and I'm gonna set it with this white shade in the Avani Greg palette. Okay, so now I'm taking those first two transition shades to go in and blend out the harsh edges of the cut crease. Okay, so now I'm taking this red shimmery shade to put into my inner corner. And since this look is prom inspired, I'm going in with J. LaRue Cosmetics White Diamond. I really love her pigment, so yes, y'all. To do my winged eyeliner, I'm going in with this Wet n Wild eyeliner. To prime my face, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It kind of reminds me of the Milk Hydro Grip. Okay, so for foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Coconut. This is my favorite foundation, y'all. Girl, and I don't play when it comes to my foundation. Like, I like for everything to match, so I'm getting my neck as well. Okay, to highlight, I am taking a darker and a lighter shade. I'm going in with that lighter shade first, and then I'm going to take the darker shade on the outer corners. I also like to use a dark concealer to contour as well. Most people like to use a foundation stick. To get full coverage, you want to let your concealer dry down a little bit, so I'm going to go in and blend out my contour first. Okay, to set my contour, I'm going to be going in with this Ruby Kisses palette. I really love this palette, and I think it's good for beginners. Okay, before I bake, I like to set everything with a translucent powder. Now to bake, I like to take a setting powder and a translucent powder and mix them, and that's how I bake, y'all. Also, I've been obsessed with reverse contouring. I just feel like it gives your cheeks more structure. Okay, for my blush, I'm going to be taking my Juvia's Place blush palette. I like to put on my blush while I'm baking, and I don't like to bake for too long. And if you've been subscribed to me for a while, like I said, you know this is my favorite highlighter. Now I'm taking this NYX Jumbo White pencil in my waterline. I just feel like this step is important. I used to skip this step, but I love this step real bad now. Now I'm just gonna apply some mascara before I apply the glitter that I'm gonna apply. Now I'm going in with this glitter that I got from J Cats. Okay, so now I'm going in with the blue artistry setting spray. I'm on this setting spray real bad, y'all. I'm gonna link this in the description. Okay, so now I'm just adding this white eyeliner. I don't know why I just did it last minute, but it came out cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna put y'all onto the secret sauce on how I get my lip combinations. Okay, this is the final look, y'all. I love how this look turned out.